Do you want your child to grow successful not only in academics but in future professional and personal life as well? But you are worried about their lethargy, lack of motivation, indisciplined life, behavioral issues, or lack of confidence? Thank you for being here on this page. I am Piali, Success Mindset Architect for Children and Parents, founder of Niche and Empowering Mind, and mom of a teenager girl. I have been working in the field of child education and child psychology since 2013. I know the gaps in the system and the requirements for the future in and out. I have seen number of bright children to lose their motivation and to lose the right track for life and to be lost in stagnancy in their professional life, in deep depression or sometimes in addiction. I have seen number of academically excellent child to be extremely unsuccessful in their future professional life. So what are the core elements for success? What are the core elements without whatever school you choose for your child or whatever extracurricular activities you arrange for your child, success will be miles away. What are those core elements? I have been researching and working to develop those particular core elements to prepare your child to create the real successful life, not only theoretically but practically. So, if you click on the link below to join my upcoming master class, I'll be sharing 3 extremely important things with you for your child. Number 1, how to develop the superpower of confidence in your child so that your child not only will be able to speak smart or fluent in front of the people but will hold a deep belief on himself or herself to deal with any challenge or any adversity. Number 2, how to develop the strong and persistent emotional management system in your child so that your child will master his or her own reactive behavior and emotional turmoil and build meaningful, strong relationships in life. Number 3, how to develop the learning motivation and continuous learning attitude and the skill of retaining that learning proficiently in your child, not only for the present academics but for the rest of their lives. So what are you thinking? Click on the link to join the masterclass. Help your child, especially right now when they are away from their normal socially active life. Make your child adversity proof and be really ready for the future. Click on the link below, and if you want to know more about us, please check out the next video. All our webinars are free but fully packed with lots of in-depth knowledge and awareness and useful strategies in 90 minutes. So please be attentive for that 90 minutes, and I know that you will be thankful to yourself for taking such a great decision for life and bringing the life-changing education for your child. So see you there in the next live session. Thank you.